we can go back to the beginning. The Thai people believe that the universe and us, human beings, are composed of 4 basic elements. Earth, which is our solid, water, any of the fluids, rivers, wind, our breath, and fire, our energy. When I first opened Saffron, it was my way of introducing my culture to the American public because people didn't know back 28 years ago where Thailand was and where we were and what we do and how we are as a person. But 20 years later, people seem to think that they know a lot more about Thai food, but they've forgotten that food is medicine.
People are often surprised how many even of the medicines that we use and are widely used actually are also derived from natural products. One thing that doctors have suspected for the better part of a century, but we haven't really known the basis for is how inflammation really does contribute to so many chronic diseases.
I've always kind of tried to eat what I thought was good for you. But now things are happening. Like inflammation, it is killing me right now. And so I've started juicing and now I'm hooked.
As long as you eat things that will keep you lean, as long as you get exercise, then you're in balance and your risk of cancer is reduced substantially.
As a chef, I love to find ways where we can get people to integrate this at home. If we can get them to try encouraging their kids and their families to taste these foods in their whole element, like you said, unprocessed, so that those phytonutrients
in their natural form.
I'm sure you've heard of Dr. Andrew Weil. So he's one of the owners of our concept, and it's based on his anti-inflammatory diet. So many years ago, he kind of re-engineered the food pyramid. I think the biggest change that he made was the base of the food pyramid is fruits and vegetables.
The genes want to know everything you're taking into your body.
Right.
Everything. Okay. And they adapt to what you eat, what you breathe, even the toxins they adapt to.
So at the Salk Institute, we study how molecules contribute to health and well-being. All we are the sum of all the things that you've presented here.
Right.
And it's when those molecules get out of balance that we get problems.
So subsequently, all these things are very important when you sit down in a meal. You eat well because you want to feed not only your body, but also your mind and your spirit. So when you say, how do I maintain this? What am I supposed to do so that I could eat well? I cook every night for myself. And what I do is that I think of what is in season.
Yes.
That's my first idea. Secondly is how I feel and the weather.
Everything is a recipe, basically. In fact, a lot of people in labs are also good cooks. And really what we're inventing are new kind of dishes, but they're science dishes.
Many of these things that have been learned over history and passed down, like, no, drink this. This is really good. This is a good thing. If you're getting a fever, have honey and then have this. Like, there really is a scientific basis in many of these things. And it's an exciting time to bridge these worlds of nutrition and diet and science.